Okay, next thing I found is the cabin filter. Let's zoom in to put my light on. Okay, so T20 right there. That'll sit up in, see that right there? And then tug this off. And then back here there should be a door. Or to get in there better. I'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna have a hard time filming this one, but you see that little tab right there? All you gotta do is pull that forward, and there's your filter. You have to try and get it out. Seems like you grab onto this. Alright, so apparently this car has two filters. So I got this first one out. It's a pain in the ass. And then this bottom one you put up on. Ugh. And where'd it go? Okay. Nope. There we go. There's like no space to work in here, especially if you got big hands. Okay, good. Let me get a pair of pliers. Okay, that one's coming out. Focus on the way the arrow goes, so it's coming back that way. So those are the old filters. Let's get the new ones. These are the new filters, much cleaner. And we'll put these back in. It has to go this way and then down. Let's see, it goes, slides in that way, then down. Okay, so let's try that. There's number one. I need two hands to hold this door open. Lovely. So surprisingly, putting it in went a lot smoother than taking it out. So I have the bottom one in, and hopefully the top one can go in easily. Alright, so that's sliding back in. It's very smooth. Good. Close that up. I'll take this panel, line this panel back up. Then you have that T20 screw. Where'd it go? There it is. Gotta line that back in there. Let's get my T20. Okay, put on your T20. And that wraps up this job.